Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZIOP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times already, so that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But another very, very nice move today. Great way to start off the week. The first thing, though, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here and just get rid of these lines there. Sure, these levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. From a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, right up around the 550 mark was that area of resistance, but now that the price is up above it, that's what I would consider the ideal level of support. I mean, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the strongest going forward? And that would definitely be ideally if the price can stay up above 550, that would be great. But don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 550, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would be a great sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way to gauge the health of the move, quote unquote, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 550 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact of the party finally stopped today right up there at about $5.83. And just out of curiosity, I feel like this is at highs that haven't been seen for a very long time, yeah. So pretty much, yeah, that's just the blue sky breakout point, meaning if the price gets back above there, you're in blue skies again. So keep an eye on that. But really, resistance levels don't matter. What matters is what the chart has already been doing, and that is just right here. Just keep on chipping away with those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then just sit back and let the overall trend continue to do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.